Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What up, brother, are you? Lekker, lekker, lekker. Good morning, good morning. Right, guys, good morning. Morning, what's happening, what's happening? What's happening? Let me just pop this up there. Sorted. 100%, man. 100%. Jesus, good morning. Yanette, Ilse, Uncle Robs, Suleiman. Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are doing good. YouTube, what's happening? We are back. Last time I saw you guys on Thursday. As you guys know, Fridays is private sessions with the MFX members. We caught some beautiful, beautiful gold shorts on Friday. And then we did accountability after that. Mark Play, good morning. Chad, Alex, Elaine, Nuggets, Brett, Brandon, Faison, Calvin, Obi, Amar. Good morning, guys. Charles, good morning. Hope you guys have had a lovely, lovely weekend and fresh and ready for the week. It's going to be a good week, boys. So let's lock in. Let's get focused. Let's break down gold. Let's see what's happening. Any questions as I go on, do let me know. Before we even start, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's see what we have in store for this week. Right, straight off the bat, gold actually closing above that level, which we pretty much spoke about last week, which is that resistance of the candlestick on the left hand side, price closing above it. However, so the way I see it is, even though the candlestick anatomy is printing bullish and we have this weekly engulfing, I still see that because we've made such a large spike on the left hand side, that this is still the same liquidity as that zone there. So just absorb what I'm trying to say there, right? So why I'm saying so is because on this date, so the week of July 15th, price could not sustain the level and started to reject. So I then see that whole area as price grabbing liquidity. So even though we have last week's candle closing above the previous week's candle, it isn't going to be used as a confluence to say that, you know what, we've engulfed the previous price can drive. No, I would more so say that price once again did close into this liquidity zone over here, so price can still reject. So that is something that we need to look at when going into the charts this week. So I'm not too phased about the weekly actually today, just because of what I explained right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop straight down to the daily and start plotting in the current day highs and lows. Now do understand that Friday was NFP, so that is obviously why we have such a crazy candle like this. So I'm not gonna really take my candlestick anatomy on the daily too serious, just because Friday was a huge fundamental day. Hope you guys can understand that. So first and foremost, what I want to do is I want to mark in my current daily high, current daily low, and then work from that. So this is current daily high. This is current daily low. And from that, I'm then going to pop down to my 4-hour. Just want to see how that structure is. So you know what? That 4-hour is now actually flipped bearish, boys. My daily is still bullish, but that 4-hour now flipped bearish with this candle. So there's my lows over there, right? This is that 2 candlestick pullback before that next drive. Price then drove down, closed beneath, retested, grabbed liquidity, and that is why we are seeing price drive down. So what is that 4 at the moment? The 4 at the moment is actually bearish, boys. So that is the first thing we need to just change here quickly, is understanding that this 4-hour is now bearish. So already we have a 3v1. Okay, let's then drop down and see what that 30-minute is doing. So if we jot it back, there's my 2 candlestick pullback, there's the drive, pullback, drive. So that flipped it bearish, significant high, flipped it bullish. So from low to high, bullish, bullish, broke highs again over there, which makes the 2 candlestick pullback nearest would be there, right? So that would be the impulse leg that drove us back bullish. Price then pushed and actually broke. So what is the 30-minute now? The 30-minute is actually bearish, boys. Okay, so now we've got a 2v2. Ooh. Got a 30-minute bearish, 4-hour bearish, daily, weekly bullish. So we have a 2v2. So you know what we're going to do today? We're going to sit on the fence. We're going to sit on the fence today. And pretty much not have a set bias. And be willing to take trades, buys or sells, either or. So what we got to do now is we're going to start confluence building. Let's start building up confluences and see what is happening today. Why is Jason having some network issues? Okay. 4-hour, let's get our liquidity zones out right now. So immediately it's going to be that. So yes, I could highlight the whole zone for sure, but if I look where we're sitting and rejecting is right there, which means that I can actually rather use this as wick fills as price continues. It's 126 pips. That's crazy. So I'm going to change this and hold it like that. And what I'll do is I will just use this as wick fill areas. Like that. So that's my 4-hour zones currently. And then I'm just going to put 2 extra zones just to show where that 4-hour, the 4 hours next level is. Actually, hold on. If you see what I see, you will understand that to the left hand side we actually had a range, boys. You see that, low to high? So that level is very significant to me, as well as the current level we're at right now. So let's get to the lower time frame so I can start tweaking these levels. Okay. So this 4-hour level I'm going to pull right here. Okay. This I'm actually going to remove. It clutters my chart. And then this I'm going to just pull down like that. And on the 30-minute, the zone that I'm going to add in is literally just going to be that level's same zone. So you see that, how it's dragged right through? That's what I'm going to use. And if I look to the left hand side, is this not a range right there? It is, right? So that is the zone I'm going to slot in on this fine Monday morning, which is going to be there. And this is my zones on my chart for the day. Okay, I'm just going to refine this, make it look a bit neater. And you know what, before we even go on, we have a new playlist, boys. We don't have to listen to the same shit the whole time. Hold up. We got 2 new playlists. Let's start with this one. Quiet. Let's get it. So, just want to clear this out, and these are my zones. Let's have a look back to the 4-hour and start confluence building. Like I said, I'm not going to get too much data from that weekly daily just because it was NFP on Friday. Okay, so I'm also going to use my 4-hour down. Okay, so have a glimpse at this daily quickly. We're still within that liquidity zone, so like I said, I'm not going to get too much data from that. On the 4-hour, we are bearish overall. The 4-hour, what it did was it, so this is for the sales, by the way. We have a level of support, price broke out, price retested, obviously grabbing liquidity on top. If I'm going to see price re-break the current 4-hour low, I'm selling it. Reason being, this over here, ladies and gentlemen, is price grabbing liquidity right there. It then comes down to trade beneath a 30-minute level, pops up, grabs liquidity as a resistance point, and then drives down. Okay, so that's that 30-minute range. Now, it's either going to do one of 2 things over here, and I'm going to play this one out. It's either going to re-break its high and drive up, or it's going to re-break its low and continue further down. And this is how I can get in on these positions. If I drop down to the 30-minute, all I want to see is a nearby support level, a break of that, a retest, and the drive down, and that is how I'll take my simple shorts. However, because I have a range on the left hand side, this is where we start plotting the buys, by the way. Because I have a range on the left hand side, I need to understand that 24.25 is a strong liquidity level. Okay, so just because we are overall bearish and bearish on the 4-hour and 30-minute does not mean it is tank time. Okay, so this is where I can use the glimpse of the week to say, you know what, we've engulfed the previous week, we've grabbed liquidity, we could drive. Obviously, it's not a major confluence for me because, like I said, this zone is now seen as a whole level of liquidity. However, if price is pulling back, let's just say this was micro levels that was broken, and overall we get that drive and the pullback in order to continue. Okay, obviously we don't see it like that because you look at that candlestick anatomy. However, let's just say that is where that flow is. Then I'm going to understand that this level here, 24.25, test 1, test 2, test 3, could be the start of price rejecting the level. Now, because I am bearish on the 30-minute, I'm not going to look to buy it off of that support. I'm also going to wait for price to reject the equal levels, break above the resistance, retest, and then drive. And that is how I'll then take my long opportunities. That's going to be the simplest way for me to take it. So all I got to do right now is wait for price to reject these areas, get above that resistance point, retest it, and then look to drive. And that is how I'll take my buys. So at the moment, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be a no trade range for me. Just give me a second. So at the moment, this is going to be a no trade range. This will be safe sells. Reason being, I'm gonna wick full it into my current daily low, so I'm pretty safe with that. And the overall 4-hour and 30-minute is bearish. And then on the contrary, this will still be against the structure, by the way. So this is gonna have to be aggressive buys. Reason being, immediate structure is bearish, and then that macro structure is bullish on that daily, weekly. So that is why I've popped this as aggressive and that is safe. And that is my breakdown on gold this morning. We've got about, let's call it 14 minutes until market opens. Let's see what we can do. And then obviously, as I normally do, even though I am obviously on the fence, I'm always going to tell you which one I prefer. Personally, I prefer the buys today. And the main reason is because of this 4-hour. If I can see this 4-hour grab liquidity down there to re-break its own high right now, I'm going to anticipate it can drive to the upside. Now, that can be one of two things. That could be price starting the bull run once again, or it could be price coming to fill that area to grab liquidity and then drop. Okay, because if we look at the retest of the level of 24.50, it wasn't really like a solid retest. It was literally just one candle that grabbed and dropped, right? I just want to see something. That was this morning Asia. So that would be cool to see. But like I said, I'm either or, boys. I'm either selling it or I'm buying it. It's one of the two for me. I'm pretty chilled. But I'm not gonna lie, I do prefer the buys. But I will obviously trade what I see and not what I feel or think. Let me say this is what needs to happen before I can sell. Before I can sell, I need a support, which I'm getting right now. So if this candle can start closing beneath the level and start doing some of that, for sure, 100% I'm in. And then, in order for me to take the buys, I need something like this again, where price pretty much creates a nearby resistance and then drives. This is a beautiful setup, by the way. So that's what I'm needing. So pretty much a resistance, and here pretty much a support level before I can get involved. The reason is, besides the structural side of it, I need to see that we have a nearby liquidity zone for stop loss. That's also very important for me. So that's what I'm going to be looking at this morning. Drop a 1 in the chat if you understand the analysis. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll then obviously take it from there. But drop 1 in the chat if you have any questions. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you understood the analysis. Let me actually just throw this up there. Surprise, surprise, today's giveaway day as well. I'll be doing a challenge giveaway today as well, so stay tuned for that. I think it's going to be pretty cool. Someone's going to walk away with a $5,000 challenge with the opportunity of making it 10, if you know what I'm talking about. So let me just add this. Okay. Carl, good morning. What's happening, bro? Well done on you passing your funded this morning as well. Congrats, brother. Super proud of you. That's another member passing their funded challenge, boys. Tiwari, good morning, sir. Hope you're doing good. No, you can't, Mark. It is used as capital to obviously grow your own funds. Okay, so we're already on gold, right? Now, let's have a look at GJ quickly before I go on. Because GJ is coming with that fire. GJ has just been running. GJ has just been running, boy. It's crazy. Damn. GJ has just been running. On the news front today, this week, nothing really interesting this week. Next week Wednesday, phew. Next week Wednesday, however, we got CPI. PPI should be that week. Yeah, so nothing too crazy for us this week, boys. Nothing really that's like, oh wow, I gotta look out for this. Just normal week. I'm not even gonna break down GJ, there's just no areas. GJ's in its own la la land at the moment. I'm good. Cole, what's happening, bro? Jordan, what's up? Since market open, Nas dropped. Jeez. But I actually saw your Cole, I saw your message. But when you sent that message, I was still sleeping, bro. 5 in the morning. I'll actually go through now. I think that's a great question. Let's see what Mr. Striker did. Jordan Striker. Damn, boy. Did you catch this? How much supposed to get out of this?
I closed 23. It was like a type 1 star. But it ran.
Very nice, sir. Well done, bro. Oh, this is gold? You took gold this morning?
Yeah.
GG's, bro. Now you see, this setup here is textbook type 3. You have a resistance, price comes out to grab liquidity, taps into that 4 liquidity highs, comes back in, closes back in, let it run. Easy. Easy, boy. Well done. GG, bro. Well done. Cole, that is outstanding, brother. Well done. Well done. It's all you, man. Don't have to thank me. It's all you. How do I not become overconfident with this win streak? So wait, how do I not become overconfident? This win streak is good, but I gotta keep my heart checked all the time too. You don't think about the wins or losses. You just trade every day like it is. You know what I mean? Every day that you trade, just trade it as it is. Don't think about what you've done the day before or the week before. Don't think about how many how many wins you've taken. Don't think about how many losses you've taken. Take every day as it is, and you'll be good. Go. Mark Prince, good morning. Hope you're doing good, brother. I think I see a sell trade coming on gold. If we get closure beneath 24.25. What's up with my English this morning? Closure beneath 24.25. Need a micro resistance, and I can then look to get involved because I'm pretty sure this is going to be too large. Yeah, that's like 100 pips. I can already tell you today's probably going to be a big stop loss. Reason being, markets are big right now. Those candlesticks are huge. How big is one candlestick? Like 100 pips? This current candle is 80 pips. That's wild. Anybody taking your choice today? But wait, while I'm at that, boys, today I'm gonna do a giveaway. So I can just get you guys set on that. So obviously, as usual, when I do these giveaways, it's as simple as commenting on the last video. So the previous live stream, not video, live stream. Sorry. I'm gonna do a $5,000 Vault Funder giveaway today. Okay, so you're gonna come here on YouTube. All you gotta do is hit that like button. There's 60 oaks watching right now. Dude, at 26, that maths is not mathing. For me to do this giveaway, I need at least 50 likes. So I'm gonna do a $5,000 Vault Funder giveaway. Get these likes to 50, firstly. Okay? Then in order for you to be in this giveaway, you have to have liked this current live stream, subscribe to the channel, and then simply go and comment on the previous video. So you're gonna come here and then go to live, and then the previous video, which I did. Come here and you comment anything. Hereby comments. Where's comments? So come here and you comment anything. You can even put a 1. Just go comment there, because I'm gonna obviously use YouTube comment picker. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and go comment on Thursday's video, which is the previous video on the channel. As simple as that. And we'll be doing that giveaway today. Also, before I do that giveaway, likes need to be up to at least 50. So let's run it up. Go. Appreciate that tag there, Mr. Jordan Zhao. Oh shit, and then lastly, follow that MFX business page on Instagram. Matthew Bowers, what's happening, bro? Hope you're doing good. While we wait for this, so let's see quickly. I'm gonna do that giveaway like soon, actually. Okay, I need 10 more likes to get it to that giveaway time, but go and follow the MFX business page as well on Instagram. All the links is in the description, guys. Okay, so far so you got 17 entrants. 17 entrants. Also, just to make it fair, if you've won a challenge before, and you win again, I'm gonna re-roll. so we can give other people an opportunity to win as well, you know what I mean? So for example, who won the last time? I think Elaine won last week. So if for some reason it lands on her again, she can just donate it to another person. Or actually, I'll rather re-roll, just to make it fair for everybody, and everybody can get a chance to get that funded challenge, you know? I think that's quite fair. Elaine, how's that phase 2 going, by the way? MFX members in the Zoom, are we good?
Yeah, good.
Good, 100%. Suleiman, don't forget our one-on-one this Wednesday.
Yeah.
I think, did I send you the link already?
Yeah, I got it already. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So Wednesday we sorted, you'll just join at that time.
Yeah.
Any other MFX members, if you guys need one-on-ones, book with me. We have slots available. Perfect, Gino. So that's it. Perfect, Cole. Perfect, my brother. Look, that's what helped me a lot, especially like when I hit that barrier of 18 trade win streak. Then I'd always question myself, when is that loss gonna come? Just don't think about it. And then after that, we got a 24 trade win streak. So the best thing I can advise you on is take every day as it comes. I'm not in Zoom anymore, but you have to make sure that 100% Jordan. The mods are here. Yeah, the mods are here. Done with phase 2, waiting for the 5 days to end. Damn, so you've actually passed already. Well done. So guys, this is a viewer that won the $5,000 challenge last week, if I'm not mistaken. Elaine, just correct me. I think it was last week or the week before, and she's just passed phase 1 and phase 2. Well done, Elaine. That's crazy. That is awesome, man. Okay, that is London open right there, boys. Look at that hourly close. Lower, 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 high. As I've mentioned, boys, we need to get out to this level 24, 25. Once we can get out of that range, then I can start looking for set positions. So at the moment, I need a 15 or 30 minute candle beneath the level for something like this. So if I can get the candle to close, let's say like that, then the next candle I need to pop up, grab liquidity, and I can then obviously look for set positions, something like that. Okay, now obviously that stop loss is going to be way too large. So what I'm going to do in today's scenario is I'm going to use the wick of that open candle as my stop loss. Hopefully it's not too large, because obviously if the stop loss is too big, I won't be taking the trade. But look at this range alone. This range alone is over 100 pips. That's crazy. So today, the way you're gonna see the way I do my stop loss. I'm gonna focus it a lot on being the high of the open candle. So if I'm looking to sell it and it comes to the point after it's created its high, so that's that top wick, then breaks the low, comes to an energy point, I'll then slot that stop loss above the current open high, because technically then it shouldn't re-break the highs, right? So I'll throw that like 2 or 3 pips above the high. But obviously, if it is too big of a stop loss, I just won't take the position. Right, how we looking? For the new viewers that just pulled in now, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We are doing a giveaway. Once we hit 50 likes on the current stream, all you gotta do is follow the MFX business page on Instagram, comment on the previous live, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and you will stand a chance to win that giveaway. Okay, we need 5 more likes to do that giveaway, boys. Once we get to that 50 mark, I'll do the giveaway. So it's gonna be $5,000, and then what I'll do is also give that person that wins the opportunity to do a coin flip, and if they win the coin flip, they can get $10,000 account with Vault Funder. Jason Edgerton, 99 wins and 16 losses. Wild. Technically, I count the break-evens as wins as well, so it's 107. But I appreciate that, my brother. Thanks for that 14 Rand dono as well. I appreciate that, my G. Hope you're doing good. It's not to comment here, by the way. Tao. You can go drop a comment in the previous video to enter. Hans, you can just let me know in the Zoom chat how far are you with that course. As soon as you're done with it, let me know so we can book you for that one-on-one. Danko. Well, I only finished. Perfect, brother. Take your time. There's no rush. There's no rush, my man. Take your time. Oh, this is Jason's 3rd super. Appreciate that, bro. Really appreciate that. Mr. Jason Edgerton. Right, but I think we're like 1 like away from doing that giveaway. Guys, please just check this guy's Instagram name that just followed me. His Instagram name is shining on my X. Hectic. No risk, no Rari. That's wild, bro. Okay, let's have a look here where we're at. That's yours, Gib? That's wild, bro. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Okay, we just tapped into that 51 likes, so we're gonna do the giveaway now. Jared Berto, what's up, bro? Lily the Daily. That's mine. Okay, boys, so I'm just gonna mention it one more time. So I'm gonna do a giveaway right now. $5,000 Vault Funder Challenge. Whoever wins that is gonna get the opportunity to do a coin flip for $10,000. Okay? Now, in order to be in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to the current channel that you're watching, Millennial FX, hit the like button, follow the business page on Instagram, and then go comment on the previous video, because that is how I'm going to get your name. So you gotta go to, let me give you the date. So it's the first. Let's do the 1st of August. You gotta go to that one and go comment there, because that's the only way I want to be able to get your name. So far we have 33 entrants. I'm gonna give it another 10 minutes, or let's say the quarter past open. At the quarter past open, I'll do the giveaway. And your comment needs to be on YouTube, not Instagram. So here we go. This is where it needs to be. Maybe the next one I'll actually do it on Instagram. This just helps us boost our traction, boys. Because for me, the more lives we can change, the better. So here's it right here. 1st of August. Go comment here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this link and paste it into YouTube comment picker. Okay. So as you know, we use this. So YouTube. Oh, has caps locks on. So YouTube comment picker, I'll then paste the link, boom, in there, and then this website will generate the comments by itself. Go. So I'll give you guys some time to go get involved. And then just the guys in the Zoom as well. Note you guys are able to do this as well. You can enter the challenge, the competition as well. League AMW. Good morning, man. Okay, let's do this. Let's drop a 1 in the chat. Drop a 1 in the chat if you're ready for this giveaway. Why can't I get this out? Is there a different price for yes traders since we can't win the challenge? Unfortunately, not yet, brother. Not yet. I gotta see how I can sort that out for you guys out there. You ready? You ready, guys? Ready? Drop 1 in the chat. Let's see who's ready for the giveaway. Time. Let's give away time. Let's see who's ready. Spam those 1s in the chat. Let's see who's ready. Let's see how many entrants we have so far. So far, we got about 41 entrants. Ooh, there's gonna be a big giveaway. This is gonna be a big one. Okay, you guys seem pretty rich, right? Okay, so gold is literally just in our no trade range. So obviously we can't take any positions yet. So I do think it is perfect time to do that giveaway. I just want to check two things on my side. That's at 15 close as well. Nothing we can read off of that as of yet. Okay, 15 opening with that top wick first, no bottom wick. But yeah, boys, this is the range that I obviously can't trade. I have to wait for price to get up. Let's set a follow. Let's set a subscription goal for today as well. Let me get that out quickly. How did I do it the last time? Oh, here we go. Let's see if we can get this to 1,240 by the end of stream today. Good. Let's see if we can get that to 1,240 by the end of stream today. Gold is starting to drive off this liquidity level 24, 25. If these buys are the play today, for sure, I need confirmation above these levels here. Whatever happens here, I'm really not phased because you've got your little zone there as well. And the way these candles are printing, I rather want the macro areas. Go. Right, I think we're ready. So let's do this giveaway. Once again, I'm just going to mention if anybody has just joined now, all you had to do was like the current stream, subscribe to the channel, and comment on the previous live stream, as well as follow the MFX business page. The link is in the description. Okay, we've hit that 50 likes for today's stream, and I said once you get 50 likes, I'll do the $5,000 Vault Finder giveaway. So you're obviously all ready for that right now. And just a little goal that I want for today. If we can get this, if we can get 8 more subs, I'll be pretty chuffed with that. Okay, let's do this. Okay, boys, we are ready. So here you can see it. We are about to do the giveaway right now. So here you can see it live. Going to that page, going to the previous video, which is 3 days ago, clicking on that. If you look here, we've got 42 comments, but I did see that a lot of people obviously double commented. So the YouTube picker is only going to pick up, like, if you've commented once, it'll only pick up once. So just to make it fair for everybody. So I'm taking that link, copying that link, can exit that, going to the YouTube comment picker, pasting that in there so you guys can see it's legit. I have no way to do anything to this. Okay, duration, let's do 25 seconds. 8 plus 2 is obviously 10. Now we let YouTube get the comments. We have 34 entrants. That's the amount of entrants that we have. Sorry about that. Nah, bro. Look, guys, honestly, you can spam my pages. It helps. It helps with the algo. So spam the shit out of it. I don't mind. Right. I'm ready. So let's do this giveaway right now. The winner of the Vault Finder $5,000 giveaway. Let's see who it is. I'm starting right now. Okay. 34 entrants. Let's see who's the winner of today. Like I said, if you've won before, I'm just gonna re-roll, just to make it fair for everybody. Okay, so here we go. Let's see who the winner of today is. Let's see who that winner of today is. Who's it gonna be? S Trade FX. Is that it? S Trade FX? Comment in the chat if you are here, and then I always have to do the checks myself. So let's see if S Trade FX follows us on the business page on Instagram. Obviously, if they don't, we re-roll. There's no exceptions. Let's see. S Trade FX. Let's see. S Trade. From my second account, Gavrilovics. Gavri. I see you. And I think, how long have you been following me for? Yeah, I see you. Yeah, he follows us, boys. We'll give it to him. He follows us. S Trade FX, well done with your win today of your $5,000 Vault Funder giveaway. Right, now comes the fun part. So this is what you do, okay? First of all, before I go on, we like to celebrate other people's victories as well. So drop a W S Trade FX in the chat. Everybody just go spam W's for S Trade FX for winning the $5,000 Vault Funding giveaway. He is obviously our winner for today. However, we're not going to end it there. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to do double or nothing right now. So I will double the account from $5,000 to $10,000 if you want that. Okay? So let me know in the comment S Trade FX if you'd like that, and we'll do a coin flip. Let me know. We'll make it fun. So you can walk away with $5,000, or you can take a coin flip for 10. How are you feeling today? What's your plan? Let's hear it. You're gonna take the money and run, or you're gonna try and double it. Your net is always trying to hype the people up to do the coin flip. No sir, thank you for the offer. 5k is good for me. Risk management is good with that money. 100%. So S Trade FX, well done on today's dub, bro. You are walking away with a $5,000 Vault Funder challenge. So what you gotta do right now is send me a DM on Instagram with your email address. Okay? Then go to Vault Funder. So you see here, Vault Funder. Just go create a profile. Once your profile is created there, I can then issue you the account. As simple as that. So, we said again, go to Vault Funder, create a profile, and then on Instagram, send me your email address. Once you've created the profile on Vault Funder, let me know. 100%. Yeah, let's hear it. Where you from, S Trade FX? I've got a feeling you're like from like Czech Republic or something. Serbia. Wow. Welcome, brother. Welcome. And then for those that don't know, we do offer a mentorship program that will obviously level up your trading in the likes of the way that we do. The link is in the description. It includes obviously my entire pre-recorded course, so you can study at your own pace and at your own time. With that comes my one-on-one mentorship, as well as my live trading accountability calls and all new content that comes. You are coming to the 9:30 closure in the next 5 minutes. Let's see if we can start trading above this level. One thing I will mention is that we have a range on the left hand side as well. So if we can get price to close above there, we can trade from that support to that resistance. That range is about 60 odd pips. So clearly you guys can see that the range is large, right? Which obviously means that there's a higher probability that today is going to be a big stop loss, boys, because we need to be not doing numbers but being accountable for the technical levels as well. But obviously that stop is going to be too big. I'm not going to take that set position today. Also, if we look to the left hand side, if we do trade above the level, we've got support there, support there, support there. That nearest resistance that is macro is actually at QP, so we can look to push that position to quarter pip if that is the case, that it closes above that area. Okay, guys, just excuse me for like 2 minutes. Seems like price is trading above these levels. Guys, we literally need closure above the level before we can take it. 2 minutes, let's see. Might get a position in 2 minutes, boys. Let's see how it looks. Obviously, if it drives too much, I can't take it. Because if we look where price is at the moment, we are very close at resistance point. So in all honesty, I need price to come back here to grab that liquidity. $130, what? 190 pips in 30 minutes? Crazy, dude. Crazy. Okay, that's a closure. Let's see if gold can print that bottom wick. So my idea is gonna be, well, what I wanted to have done there was have something like this, right? So let's say we get something like that, and then this current open candle, what it does is it comes down to grab liquidity, okay? And then as it re-breaks highs and leaves, let's say, a wick like that, I can then pop that wick beneath there and then use that as the idea to say that, you know what, we've tapped down to grab liquidity, price should not come back there or even break that level for that matter, and then obviously as it drives we can then just reap in the rewards. Okay. But for me to just get involved now, the problem is two things, okay? So even if it runs now, I really don't care, because the problem is two things. The first thing is that it's at a resistance on the left hand side. Do you see that? Which means that without the retest, I'm now buying at the resistance point. That doesn't make any sense technically, okay? So what I need to see is price pull back, grab liquidity, and then look to take the rebreak of the highs. But to buy right now at a resistance point with price not retesting, it's literally playing with fire. So even if it runs, I'm not too phased, because at the end of the day, the most important thing is that I stick to my plan and stick to my strategy every day. Go. So I send you my Instagram. Perfect. And did you create the profile on Vault Funder? Perfect. So what I'll do is I'll send your email off to support, and then they will then send you the challenge, brother. So that should be issued to you by the end of business hours today. Okay. Well done on that win, my brother. Now, get that account passed, and you're set. Anytime, brother. Congrats once again. Does everyone understand why I'm not taking gold buys right now? Drop a W in the chat if you understand why I'm not just jumping in on gold buys. %, you know. 100%. Jesus also 100%. 100% Mr. Skater. Cool, you guys are learning. That's good. Persistence pays. I like your name, by the way. Persistence pays. I like that. I like that. Something I speak about a lot. Hey bro, would you mind briefly explaining what a trade range, what a trade range and no trade range is? Sorry, there's no such thing as a silly question, my brother. All questions are valid. So the no trade range is pretty much an area where price won't reach any of my requirements because of what price is doing on the left hand side, or where price actually is. And then obviously my tradable ranges is areas that I'm keen on trading in, because it either lines up with market structure or candlestick anatomy or any other of my other confluences. So you'll see, like, sometimes you'll come to stream, if you maybe go back and watch my previous streams, you'll see, like, I will say, guys, I don't want to trade in this range for now, but it's not classified as a no trade range, and that will be because there could be a possible setup that could still form, because there's not enough data for me to say it's not a no trade range as of yet. However, why I mentioned this was a no trade range is because it was at the point where it was going to be at the point of support, and we are bearish, so I couldn't trade that. And then also it was in a very choppy area. Now, with that being said, choppy areas we can trade if it is a zone. For example, if I have highs and lows, which I could have done here. But why I classify this as a no trade range, because I am not going to be buying off of that support level when my 30-minute is bearish. So that's like a prime reason why I won't do it. However, obviously this can change. So now let's say, for example, this taps into liquidity there and it starts rejecting down, closes back beneath 24.38 and retests. Then this node range actually becomes a tradable range at that point. Reason being, what am I then seeing it as? I'm then seeing it as price pulling out of the level, grabbing a higher state of liquidity, which is going to be the level of 2,444. If I look to the left hand side, I've got a range, and then all I'm going to do is trade the resistance to support level like that. So boom, boom, high to low. Simple. So that is how it could possibly change. So what I'm going to do right now is actually remove that area that says no trade range and change this to aggressive shorts, because that 30-minute is still bearish, right? So if you start trading beneath the level of 24.37, I will then look to take that aggressive shorts. Go. And that will be a type 3 style execution, because it's going to be a type 3, because it's reversing this trend. Does that make sense? Because macro will be bearish. However, this micro section right now, it's actually bullish. If we look at it, you can see it on that 5. Obviously, we don't label that because I don't focus on the structure on the 5 unless it's time for setup. But we can see us pushing to the upside. So we're getting that micro turning bullish. So what I anticipate here is one of two things. Got your resistance level here, which is actually a liquidity zone, right? I want to see price reject that area and drive, or on the contrary, reject that area once again, pull beneath, tap in, form resistance, and then pop down. Go. This is a part where I still in my hands. However, if she does drive, there's a higher, look, to be straight up, if this drives right now, there's a higher probability there should be no trade day for me. I have to be adamant about my rules every single day. Thank you. Anytime, brother. I got you, Brandon. Do you believe when gurus say that retailer stop loss is usually an entry for the big institutions? No. No, I don't. Gurus are going to try and tell you all this fake bullshit because they can't a fuck trade. And they're going to use that as an excuse to tell their students that, so that the students don't find accountability in their trading. Finding accountability in your trading is probably the most important thing you need to do to go from level to level. Is finding accountability within yourself. Because if you don't find reasons why you're not profitable, or why you keep losing, or even why you keep winning, you're going to stay at that point that you're at right now. You need to be accountable for yourself. Have to. And it's like that in life. If you struggle with anger management issues, you need to be accountable for that and work on bettering that. If you're a person that's not patient, you find accountability and realize, yo man, I'm not a patient person, how can I get better? It's the same thing with trading. That's why I do accountability calls with my students every Friday. Man, you're really good. Do you sell a mentorship by chance? You know what? I actually do. I actually do sell a mentorship program. Agreed. Thank you for your answer. I keep seeing those saying, yeah, it is what it is, bro. And you know what? With that being said, guys, just to help you guys, in your opinion, sir, what does move and make the markets? Liquidity. Obviously, fundamental data, so all economic variables, 100% around the world, but daily liquidity. We have an almost $7 trillion industry at the moment. This is all economic factors that's moving the market right now. And then obviously liquidity. So high institutions trading that. So this is what I'm going to do. So let me just do it quickly. To help you guys even more. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. So obviously we do offer a mentorship program that includes my live trading Monday to Friday. It includes my one-on-one sessions with me. It includes my entire course pre-recorded at your own pace. You can watch it, rewind it, do whatever you want. Comes with accountability calls and literally everything you need to level up your trading from A to Z. Go. So what I'm gonna do is this. For the next 30 minutes, let's call it from 9:40 till 10 o'clock, I'm gonna run a flash sale. It's normally $59. I'm gonna drop it to the previous price for the next 30 minutes, which is gonna be $47, I think it is. So for those that want to level up your trading and trade with the best in the world, click on that link. You can sign up right there. I'm only gonna do it until 10. I don't drop my prices. You guys know this by now. It's way too cheap for what I give the world. So normal price is $59. I will drop that price for the next till about 10 a.m. my time. So the next 20 minutes, I'm gonna drop that price to $47 a month. If you want to get involved, you can click it right now. I just made it live. So we just went live with that. Okay, and this is obviously exclusive for YouTube because I'm not going to post it on any of my other social platforms. If you want to level up your trading, trade with the best, that link is now live. Okay, one of the mods, just drop that link in the chat as well. You can, but I mean, you're already part of MFX. So it's live right now. You guys can go ahead and sign up. We got 18 minutes left. Price is now dropped to $47. That's ridiculous. Ridiculously cheap, boys. Okay, so price is rejecting that area as I've mentioned. So it's one of two things, boys. This is either that retest, right? Which I don't think. I first feel like price is coming back down to the quarter pip, which means that in the next 2 minutes, if I can get price to close beneath there, I want to see a tap up, form resistance and drop, and I'm going to sell it as a type 3. Miles, is that the retest going on gold? I just explained it. I personally don't feel like it's a retest, but if it is, GG's, we'll get the trade. Any which way, I want to see a price close beneath the area, tap in, grab liquidity, and then I'm going to do a type 3. Let's see. So for this type 3, it's simple. It's simple, it's simple, it's simple, it's simple, it's simple. Resistance, 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 resistance now. If we can close on the 50. Closure beneath liquidity. Tap into liquidity, hold it, and drop. I then sell it. Okay. What am I doing? Resistance to support. Resistance to support. Resistance to support. And I want to do it again. Yeah, 100% my brother. Got a minute left to see this closure. We obviously also do not want it to push too much because, why? Don't want that stop to be too big. So this will be that aggressive short this morning, if I can get that. While we're at it, boys, let's run these subs up right here. We got 75 viewers in the chat. Let's get that sub count to 1,240 by the end of stream. Also, that flash sale is 15 minutes left. If you want to level up your trading with my course, we've got 15 minutes left to sign up at that major discount. Okay, that's that closure. I'm going to wait for price to pull back and take it at the rebreak of the low. Okay? This is what I want right now. And then my stop is going to be just above there for Let's do 40. Okay. TP1 will be obviously 10, and you'll run the rest down. So TP1 is going to be there. It'll be TP1, and then you'll just run the rest down. Okay. TP2 will be 50. That's way too far from my TP2. Overall TP will be QP. 100 pips possibly incoming. So what I'm anticipating right now is that price close back beneath the range. I'm going to take it at the break of that previous 15 in anticipation of tap my TPs. Okay, stop loss is 39. I'm probably going to have it a bit lighter. That's me in the trade right now. In on gold sales at the moment. Stop loss is 39 pips. TP1 10, and I'm going to anticipate that the rest will run. TP1 10. I just want my TP2 to be there, boys. Reason being, there's that candlestick resistance. Okay. Come on, baby. That's TP1 smacked right there on its ass. Let's go. Stops to break even. Letting my runners run. Let's go, boy. Again. Big motion. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Running about 23 pips in profit right now. Secured partials at TP1 and the rest to break even. Drop a W in the chat if you caught that. Drop a W in the chat if you learned from that. Big fucking motion every day, bro. Every day. Every day, man. TP2 smack. Let's fucking go, boy. Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go, baby. Shit. Type shit. Type shit. Let's run up those likes. Let's hit the subscribe button. We do this every day, bro. Every day we do the same thing. 28 pips. She pushed about 40 pips. Damn! Big fucking money. So far I've got 28 pips. She pushed over all 40. That was beautiful. 40 pip trade, just like that. I closed almost everything at 28. I'm very happy with that, boys. 28 pips for the morning. Thanks, my brothers. GG, bro. And that is proof in the fucking pudding. That sale is running until 10. Get involved. $47. I won't do that flash again. I won't do it. I don't even know why I did that flash. Normal price is obviously 59, so it's only for an hour. Well, only for 10 more minutes. The sale is at 47. After that, it goes back to $59. That was a nice quick one. Quick banger, quick 28 per banger. Some breakfast. This journal that quickly. Alrighty. Third trade of the month. And we have just secured 28 pips. Man. Shit, looking good. What's the date today? The 5th. gold, London, shorts. Now the biggest thing for me personally, besides making the money, is that you guys are learning. Drop a W in the chat if you learned and understood why I took that type 3s. I literally explained it beforehand. Guys in the Zoom, let me know if you caught that. I'm not, well, let me know if you caught it, but if you understood that. We've done this exact setup literally thousands of times. That was very nice, man. That was really good. That was really good. That was literally a what? A 2-minute trade. What the fuck? A 2-minute trade for 28 pips, bro? Crazy. Every day you just take it as it is. Notice how many type 3s we've been getting. Base, that was it based off the 15, right? Yeah, based the 15. Closure beneath. So, wait, I'll run through the trade again now, actually. I just need to update the journal, but so far... Charles, can I send this to you? Let me just get my computer guy. Oh, crap. Oh, why isn't this thing copying? Copy. Paste. Thank you, Mr. Charles. We appreciate you. Cheers, Uncle Robs. Have a lekker one. Oh, I need the bathroom. Okay, well, let's check this first. Yeah, because it wicked and broke the low of the previous candle. That's not the entire reason, but I'm gonna go through it now, brother. Type 3 trade is what exactly? It's one of my 4 ways of execution, my brother. Join mentorship to learn exactly what it is. No, so I'm not going to break down type 3 because that is part of the membership course. Literally, there's a sale going on for 5 more minutes for $47 if you want to level up your trading. Waited an hour and 40 minutes for 2-minute trade. Damn, that's discipline. 100%. 100%. Remember this. Time in the markets versus timing the markets. Persistence Play is trying to get mentorship through the link, but it's not coming up. It has to. It's a global platform, brother. So you can be anywhere in the world. You can be in Timbuktu and you can sign up. So it's nothing to do with you being a trader. Just click that link. It'll take you straight to it, my brother. Oh, no. Got you. So there's what? 4 more minutes for the flash sale. From $59 to $47. Can I sign up from Wakanda? For sure, bro. You can be in Wakanda. You can be in anywhere. Wherever you are, my man, you can sign up. There's no limitations on the website, so Wakanda forever. You can join me for ever as well. 108. That is our 108th win for the year, just by the way, with only 16 losses, just by the way. And that is the 3rd trade for the month, so that is the 3rd win for the month. What's this? Where are we? August starting off with a bang as well. Really? Can I, Charles, send me that setup on the shirt. Charles has a sick setup going, boys. No lies. Wait, hold on. I need to update that. There's the update, right? So we're up 73 pips. We're up 73 pips for April already. All trades called live on stream. Because as I've mentioned, the only trades I take is the trades that's live on stream. Sorted. Thanks, Charles. Looking very nice. Looking very nice, boys. Okay, what's the time now? 2 minutes left of that flash sale. Guys, how sick is this setup? Wait, send me that photo that you sent me yesterday on WhatsApp. I can't get it on. How sick is this setup, guys? This is sick, man. I love it. So, TradingView, MetaTrader, and obviously the stream. Dope. Yeah, I can see this guy's a Forex trader. I have now only offering PayPal and a credit card. Nah, dude. Credit card must be there. It has everything. Let you guys, the website has everything. You can pay anyway. Guys, I'll extend that flash sale by 10 more minutes. Let's get these subs up as well. Gold is the one, boys. Gold is the one. Because where we're at right now obviously is at a level of liquidity. If price can break through that, she's going to sink to QP for sure. Oh, show. Thanks, Pippers and Dippers. I hope your signal group ate today off my trades. Brandon, welcome to MFX, boy. Mr. Brandon, welcome, brother. Welcome. So in the welcome message, there's going to be 2 links. Click on both those links, it'll take you to the Telegram groups, and we'll give you the warm welcome that you deserve to MFX. And then start studying that course material, brother. Once you finish the course, send me a message. We'll book you for a one-on-one session and we'll start mentoring you on a one-on-one perspective. Jeez, this is cool. Look at this guy. Look at this. Hectic. So you can see in the future into the past. Hectic, dog. There's a dope setup. I really like it. Samsung G3s for the win. Yes, Jordan, your cousin. I think it is, right? Mr. Snoid. Thank you, Mr. Gino. I appreciate that, my brother. Okay, boys, I am done for the day. I've caught my trade. Yeah, so in the welcome note, Brandon, there's going to be two links. So the welcome note that you read when you join, there's two links. Click on both those links, it'll pull you into Telegram. Go. But boys, I'm done for the day. I caught my bag, big bag. So trading wise, we're done for the day. Got 28 pips, GG's on that. And then well done to, who was it, S-Trade or something like that? Yeah, S-Trade FX for the win of that 5,000, that Vault Funder $5,000 challenge. Well done on that. So it's been a beautiful start to the week. Well done, boys. As I've mentioned, I did a flash sale on my mentorship program, which will obviously level you up into the way that you can find your consistency through the MFX strategy. That includes the course, the private one-on-ones, all of that jazz. The sale is going to end in 5 minutes. Okay, from 59 to 47 bucks. It will never be this low again. To be honest with you, eventually the 59 will go up as well. So I'm gonna do a little cardle. After the cardle, I'm gonna call it the session, and then I'll see you guys all tomorrow morning. Okay. So let's see what the car of today is. Yo, I can see this car in my head. The first thing that came to my head was actually a... It's a Ford. Hold on, let me just check quickly. You know what I mean? But the old one... For sure. This is what I think it is. I could be wrong though. I think it's an old Cortina. I think it could be this, but I could be wrong. Let me see how the body line is. No, it's not. Okay, it's not that. I think I need one more guess. Can anybody tell me what car this is before I just... Because I need one more clue. Brandon, you get in? Okay, Brandon, just do me a favor. Change your name to your full name and surname. Okay. Just so I know who it is. On Telegram, just make sure you change your Telegram name to the same name that's on Patreon. So if anybody is joining, just make sure that your Patreon name matches your Telegram name so I know who it is. Just to obviously avoid removal and stuff like that. But welcome to Millennial FX, brother. YouTube will watch live how we level you up. Okay, boys, I need one more guess on this thing, because... No, that is not a Ford. What the fuck is that? Is that an MG? It's either MG or it's a Rover. I need one more clue. I don't know what this is. This is either MG or Rover. What is this? I think it's either MG or Rover. I could be wrong. You know those old Rovers? Yeah, it is. It's a Rover. Rover P5B. Has to be. It's not. Bro, this is 100% that car. 3.5 liter. There's the giveaway as well. These motors came in 3.5 liters. Guys, I'm 100% sure this is a Rover P5B. Do I need to say like coupe or something? How much doors does this have? 4. So is that a coupe? Probably not. But I'm so sure it's this car though. Bitch. Okay, guys.
Maybe put a coupe at the end.
I did.
Yeah, I just searched it out. I think you're right, bro.
Yeah, bro. I'm 100% sure it's this car. Okay, guys. This is the car. Rover P5B. I don't know why I won't say that, but there you have it. Rover P5B. Is there a difference between the P5 and the P5B? Is that a thing? Is it the doors? But we've got the thingy-mabob, right? Rover P5. Let me see. Okay, I got you. Okay. I had a letter wrong. So the P5 was the 72 variant, and the P5B was the model after that. It's the same thing. No, it's the same thing. It's the same shit. P5 and P5B, same thing. I don't know if it might just be like a variant of it. But there you have it. Rover P5B, that's some more education for you as we're dropping education all day. Forex education, car knowledge, whatever. But boys, I'm done for the day. GG's on that. Beautiful shorts called on gold today. Once again, how did I catch that? Price popped out of the zone. This was the dead giveaway for me. And this is why I remember, if we go back onto the stream, you'll see that this said no trade range. However, we obviously adapting to markets as market shows us more data. Price closed outside, tapped into a resistance zone. You saw how I was patient enough to not just jump onto the trade. Reason being, there was no retest of the level with price tapping to resistance equality. With that being said, as price then closed that next 15-minute candle, I literally called it. As we broke the highs, tapped into liquidity, came back down, closed beneath the level, we anticipate price to form resistance and drop. It did just that. Tapped into resistance, I took my trade 2 pips below, boom, money. Simple, easy type 3. MFX way. Go. So boys, I'm gonna call it right there. That flash sale is over. Okay, I'm gonna change the price back to 59 now. Everybody had the opportunity to level up their trading. If you slept on yourself, you slept on yourself. There's nothing I can do about that. Obviously, the 59 you can still join, but obviously it's not at that discounted price anymore. Let me just do this. So, yeah, boys, if you want to trade as well as we do, as consistent as we do, just join the mentorship, and I'll see you guys with the winning team. Alright, boys, I'm out. MFX members, I'll see you guys tomorrow as well. But other than that, boys, GG's. Thanks for the day. Cheers.